right, so I'm gonna call my bank. I use Truist for my TikTok account, so let's call.
This call may be monitored, recorded, and shared for quality assurance and compliance purposes. To continue using only your keypad, press *7. For account balance, press 1. For transaction, press 2. To transfer. Okay. Let me look up your account. What is your account number or your social security or tax ID number? Please enter the last 4 digits of your social security tax ID number. Your available balance is $1,667,013.92. Your current posted balance on this account is $1,667,013.92, and your average posted balance for the month of June was $1,613,529. Month to date, your total credits are $572,728.16, and your total debit.
All right, so that's all from TikTok. All from TikTok.